Hello everyone, welcome to today's exciting SAP AI session. Today we are going to learn about one of SAP's most revolutionary innovations for developers, Joule for developers, Agentic ABAP AI. If you're an ABAP developer, RAP developer, SAP BTP consultant, or SAP architect, this technology is going to transform the way you build SAP applications. Let's start with the basics. What is Joule? Joule is SAP's AI copilot designed to assist users and developers across SAP applications. Think of Joule as an AI assistant, a coding companion, a productivity accelerator, and an intelligent enterprise agent. Instead of searching documentation, writing everything manually, and debugging line by line, Joule helps you accomplish tasks faster using AI. What is Agentic AI? Traditional AI can answer questions, generate content, suggest code. Agentic AI goes much further. It can understand goals, plan actions, execute tasks, use tools. Here is an example. You tell Joule to create a purchase order approval application. Instead of generating only code, Joule can analyze requirements. Joule can analyze requirements, generate artifacts, create business logic. That is the power of Agentic AI. Part 3, Agentic ABAP development. Now let's connect this concept to ABAP development. With Agentic ABAP AI, Joule can assist developers throughout the entire development lifecycle. Create CDS views, generate wrap business objects, create behavior definitions, generate OData Services, build Fiori applications, create test cases. In simple terms, Joule becomes your intelligent ABAP development partner. Joule inside ABAP development tools. Joule is deeply integrated into modern SAP development environments. Examples include ABAP development tools, SAP Build Code, SAP BTP ABAP Environment. As developers work, Joule provides real-time assistance directly within the development environment. One of the most exciting use cases is RAP development. Imagine create a sales order RAP application. Joule can help generate CDS data model, projection views, behavior definitions, service bindings. This significantly reduces development effort. Joule can also act as an AI coding assistant. It helps with code completion, ABAP syntax suggestions, refactoring recommendations, performance improvements, best practices. For example, a developer asks, optimize this select statement. Joule analyzes the code and recommends better approaches. Documentation generation. One challenge developers face is documentation. Many projects struggle because documentation is created manually. With Joule, technical documentation, functional explanations, code summaries, development notes can be generated automatically. This improves productivity and knowledge transfer. Automated testing. Testing is another area where Agentic AI delivers tremendous value. Joule can assist in unit test generation, test scenario creation, edge case identification, test documentation. This helps improve software quality while reducing manual effort. Enterprise knowledge integration. Joule doesn't work only with public knowledge. It can also leverage SAP documentation, business context, enterprise knowledge, custom development standards. This enables highly contextual and intelligent recommendations. Benefits for developers. So what benefits do developers get? Faster development, reduced coding effort, improved productivity. Developers spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time solving business problems. The future of SAP development is moving toward AI-assisted development, automated code generation, intelligent testing business process, automation enterprise. AI Joule is at the center of this transformation. Let's summarize today's session. Joule is SAP's AI copilot. Agentic AI goes beyond simple code generation. Joule can assist with RAP, CDS, ABAP, testing, documentation, and application development. Developers become more productive and innovative. The future of SAP development will be AI-powered. I hope this session helped you understand the exciting possibilities of Joule for developers, Agentic ABAP AI. Keep learning modern SAP technologies, embrace AI, stay future-ready. Thank you and see you in the next session. Join Anubhav Training. Enroll now. www.anubhavtrainings.com. Contact at anubhavtrainings.com.